So, click Windows I. Punta tayo sa settings. Tapos, hintayin lang natin. May na yung signal. Click Accounts. And then, Other User. Add Account. Hintayin lang natin. Tapos, click I don't have this sign-in information. Tapos, add user without a Microsoft account. And then, click the username. Password. Enter your password. Ayan. Hintayin lang natin. And then, pilapan lang natin yung mga question. Answering lang natin yung mga question yun. Hintayin lang natin, guys. So, pagkatapos, click next. And then, meron na tayong account. So, parang may standard account yung account natin. Click change account type. And then, ayun, standard user nga. Click OK. So, dito gagawa tayo ng folder naman. Ayan. Bigyan natin yung pangalan ng folder natin. Tapos, bigyan natin siya ng laman. Ayan. Bigyan natin siya ng laman, guys. Copy. Paste. So dito naman, add the standard user to the folder permission. Right click the folder, click properties, security tab, click edit, add, type the standard username, click OK, select the user, find the user. Yun. Okay. Click OK. And then click the apply. Okay ulit. Click OK. So dito, guys, test delete permission as the standard user. Lock your PC, Windows L, login standard user. Login standard user. So yun, login na tayo. So dito, hanapin lang natin yung folder. Yung folder guys, yung name ng folder. So as you can see, need natin ng permission sa admin. Encrypt the folder. So gagawin natin, log back in the admin or administrator. Andito na tayo sa admin. So dito, click the folder, right click, and then properties, general, advanced, and then so makikita nyo wala tayong encrypt kasi Windows 11 tayo So ang gagawin natin, click na lang natin yung apply and then okay. So lock your PC, babalik tayo, lock your PC, and then log in into the local account or standard user account. Ano tayo ulit sa standard account. Sa standard account, hanapin lang natin yung folder, and then so makikita natin is need talaga ng permission sa admin. So ang gagawin natin, babalik ulit tayo sa admin. Click the folder, properties, and then security, select the standard user, click edit, check modify, uncheck read, and click the apply. Babalik tayo sa admin, Windows 11, and then log in tayo sa standard account natin. Click user, click, and then makikita nyo need talaga ng permission ng admin. So delete the standard user account na tayo. Then click other accounts, and then click remove, and then delete account and data, delete account, and then waiting for deleting. Ayan, delete na yung ating standard account. finish